raised. When the objection was raised, the IEC never sought a clarity. They agreed with the objector to now take Msholozi out of the ballot. But when the matter now is put before the Electoral Court by the MKP, and the MKP set aside the IEC decision, now they are quick to say no, they seek a constitutional clarity from the Concord. So that in itself is an appeal, that in itself is a review, intending for the Concord to set aside the decision of the Electoral Court. And for that reason, if the Concord will engage in listening and paying attention to the submission, to the application brought by the IEC before, then the Concord will be engaging on an unconstitutional exercise. Because in terms of law, it is the Electoral Court that has got a constitutional responsibility, constitutional mandate in terms of the Electoral Act to be the final court in relation to electoral dispute. I submit on that regard. Namhlanje sizodeliberate abafowethu in details, in nuts and bolts, in terms of how is the ANC and the IEC work against, collaborating against Msholozi, because they want to do in whatever in their power to remove Msholozi from the ballot, because they understand his presence in the ballot. What effect will that cause in the electoral support of MKP? But when he's removed from the ballot, they know the effect that it will cause in the electoral support of MK Party. So the ANC and the IEC, these are not allegations. These are not allegations. We can see it. We said to Mamabolo, he must reveal, he must tell us the person who leaked the list. You can't tell us about he has suspended, he has terminated the employment contract, but you don't tell us the perpetrator. Why do you conduct yourself like that? Because the person who revealed the list violated the laws of this country, in particular the Protection of Personal Information Act, which its purpose is to safeguard the person's details not being maliciously used for unlawful exercise. Therefore, it means that the IEC collaborates with the African National Congress to stop, to violate Section 19 of the Constitution, the political rights of Msholozi to contest for national government elections representing MKP. So why, South Africans, don't you see it coming? That there is a collaboration here to compromise the state institution called the IEC for the protection of the ANC at the expense of democratic values in this country. Thank you.